What's good with y'all niggas? We're back with another visual. Law level 27. Oh, shit. Okay. Uh, okay. 27, right? Does that work? Does it work? That's what I like. Yeah, 27, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, 27. So, yeah. And what does it say? See, today, we're going to be talking about how to create a cult. Yes, sir. Well, you want me to talk about some civil shit right here, right? Let's see what the book I said. We're creating a cult-like group is very beneficial for a number of reasons. It has a numbing effect of the skepticism that may be on your mission of a cult. As long as there's some diehard fans in your cult, they can do your dirty work and be used as scapegoats. So you know what a scapegoat is, you know what I'm saying? If you don't know what a scapegoat is, it's basically the one that always gets blamed for shit. You know what I'm saying? So like we'll be talking for real now. We'll be talking for real. We'll be step by step how to create this cult. Number one, keep it vague and simple. To create a cult, you must first attract attention. This you should do. You should do not through actions which are too clear and readable, but through words which are hazy and deceptive. Your initial speeches, conversations, and interviews must include two elements. On the one hand, on the one hand, the promise of something great and transformative, and on the other, a total vagueness. The combination will stimulate all kinds of hazy dreams in your listeners who will make their own connection and see what they want to see. To make it vague and attractive, use words of great resonance but cloudy meanings, words full of heart and enthusiasm. Fancy titles for simple things are helpful, as are the use of numbers for the creation of new words for vague concepts. So let's talk. Let's talk. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. There's a way, you know, when there's something when you like say stuff, you know what I'm saying. But you mean like, for example, when I say I think that these chicks, I don't know, like let's say we're talking about rape, right? And then you say, hey, but I feel like this chick had it coming. And then someone interprets like, oh, so you think she deserved it? You say, hold on, I didn't say all that. Cause you gotta understand that like if you give them a clear cut thing, clear cut goal, you will attract some, yes, but you also repel some. Because one, not all people like the same thing, but like if you keep it vague, you can attract as many people as you want, right? Right. Now, step number fucking two. What does it say? Emphasize the visual and sensual over the intellectual. Once people began to gather around you, two dangers represent boredom and skepticism. Boredom will make people go elsewhere, while skepticism will allow them to keep the distance to think rationally about whatever it is you're offering, blowing away the mist you are artfully creating and revealing your ideas for what they are. You need to ensure they're bored, then and ward off the cynics. Right? Yeah, like you know what I'm saying? Like when you bored, you move. When you skeptical, you kinda take your time with this shit. You know what I'm saying? You think this shit through. So how you do this? How do you avoid these problems? Well, entertain them through the visuals and through that visuals, that senses. Because like if they you can like describe like your origin story, you know what I'm saying? Or you can give them like something that symbolizes something like a picture. You know what I'm saying? Like this symbolizes this because of that. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, and then law step three, that like five steps here, right? So yeah, step three, build broad other forms of organized religion to structure the group. Your cult like following is growing. It's time to organize it. Find ways, find a way both elevating and confronting. Organized religions have long led unquestioned authority for a large number of people and continue to do so in our supposedly secular age. And even if the religion itself has faded, some of its forms still resonate with power. You know what I'm saying? Like so, yeah. Yeah. So basically, this step is more like look at the structure of religious things, right? And then so like copy that. Like for example, in Christianity, there's the Holy Communion structure. That's a ritual. copy that. You know what I'm saying? Twist it up a little bit, and then yeah, you do your thing. Like, you know what I'm saying? And then step number four. Let's move to step number four. Disguise your source of income. Your group has grown. You have started in a charge-like form. Your coffers are beginning to fill with your followers' money. Yet you must never be seen as hungry for money and power it brings. It is at this moment that you must discuss the source of income. Alright, so it's basically like selling a dream. You know what I'm saying? You gotta sell your dream, sell them the dream, make them. You wanna look um you don't wanna look like you're aiming for something bigger than money and power, so that they can continuously give you the money. You know what I'm saying? And then when people ask, hey, how do you get this party? Like, just say, hey, just say XYZ is giving me this. When I mean XYZ is like your goal, like your cult, like a religion now. So like you can say this has started, you know what I'm saying, and all that. And then yeah, and lastly, step number five. It says set up and aspect system dynamic. It's I don't even need to read. So like with this one, like it goes back to the religion thing. Um, sorry, it goes back to the religion thing. Any religion, you name it, is always something that we're against. In Christianity, it's God versus devil, right? Hinduism is enlightenment versus ignorance. Judaism, same thing. The Jews versus the Egyptians. I believe. With the stories I've read, you know, so of course, yeah, when I give them, because when you give, if not only do you, if because if you give them a goal, yes, it will motivate them. But then if they feel like okay, there's someone I go against to win this goal, to go through the challenge tribulations, it's why you give them more of like a more of motivation type thing to do your thing with more faith in it. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, that's just the steps on how to create your own cult. You know what I'm saying? Like, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment below, and subscribe. Holla back at your boy, like, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, shit.